Okay, so let's go ahead and do some eyeballs. Let's do it. I'm gonna set my face really quick. No, I'm not, because I have powder over here. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so I got some Anastasia eyeshadows, which came with this little palette that you can put them in. So I'm really excited to do that. So that's what I'm going to be doing at the same time that we're talking. Stop! Like, oh, pretty that packaging is, guys. You see that? It says, there it is. There it is right here. It says Anastasia. And it's just like, it opens up completely flat. You see that? And it's a magnet. I'm like, oh, what in tarnation? The only downfall that I've figured out is that you can't tell what colors they are. So let's go ahead. I'll put them in as I use them. What do you think of that? So first one we have here that I'm going to put on first is Stone. Okay, so it's this gorgeous color. I'm like so obsessed. It's like a ashy. Should I bring up the descriptions for you guys? This video is getting very long, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be 2 videos. So we'll see. Stone is light ash gray ultra matte. I have to agree. It is a great ashy brown color, like ashy taupe, and I love it. It's probably going to be like my all-time favorite eyeshadow. Pretty sure. I just love these. Like, look how, like, do you see that? That's like the perfect color. It's going to be my bee's knees. Oh, how cute that is. Transition color. Okay, so we're going to go in with a fluffy brush. Going to use the Morphe M573, this fluffy blender brush, and go in to this. There's an okay amount of fallout, not too bad. Just use this, not quite as a transition shade, but like a pre-transition shade. Just give it a little bit of color on my lid, which I don't see any so far. Well, there's a little bit. I like it. It's like kind of a shadow. You know, it is an eyeshadow, so. These feel so good on the skin, you guys. The packaging doesn't feel that cheap, but like when I like top off the extra, it does make that really cheap sound. Dang, I like the way these feel. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. Just blending this up. Just bringing it out. Bring it around town. Just bring it out nice and wide. I like that color. It's not super, it's like very subtle. I'm into that. Into that. Next, we're going to go in, which is my next darker, to Warm Taupe, which as it sounds is a warm, soft brown. This kind of warm, it's a super warm brown. In like a darker shade. Not super dark. This is going to be my sort of crease, sort of transition color. So it's not coming off very dark to y'all, but to me, I felt it was more cool tone, but then they called it warm. So I'm like, I know it's called a warm taupe, but like taupe is usually kind of cool. So I think it's like a middle, a neutral. Look how cute that is, you guys. See, like this is clear, like so this is clearly warm, but like separate, it like looks really cool toned. So you know, I'm gonna use the same brush, the M573. Excuse me, what are y'all doing? Going in with M573. This one has a lot more fallout, and just blend it right in my crease. Oh my god, you guys, these are so smoky smooth. They're blending out so nice so far. I think these are my favorite eyeshadow brushes. I mean, I've only used like Sonia Kashuk and e.l.f. brushes, but like these are like also super affordable, and I'm all about affordable. These you can get four pots for $32 right now, and the case is $1. Each individual pot is $12, so like you're saving money. So I highly recommend it if you've been wanting to try some Anastasia eyeshadows. I think this is a great idea. I put some more on my Christmas list because I was like, yeah, girl. But I found a large palette that had like a magnetic palette from Morphe that's like $10 that I asked for so that I could put all of them in together instead of having 2 separate. But I like the idea of having like these that I can just like pop my 4 favorite in here for like a trip and then I can go. Okay, those blended out beautifully. I just like put it in the crease and a little bit higher and then just brought it out. I'm just going to add a little bit more over here. Just going to make sure it's high enough up here, over here. That way you can see it when my eyes open. I made that mistake one time and like I was like, had my eye open and you couldn't like see anything, and I was like, well, that looks stupid. Probably should have used this more like a crease color because I don't have like a fourth dark shade. That's okay. I love the way this looks. So it's just like a little bit more dramatic crease. Oops. Okay, next I have again an eyeshadow from Anastasia. This is Dusty Rose. Silly girl, you can't chew on that stuff, so you're gonna get kicked out. So you don't hate me. I got a little too light with that. We'll make it work, you guys. Okay, so this is Dusty Rose. It is like this gorgeous, like mauvey brown color. Of course Sephora closed. Yeah. Okay, Dusty Rose is a dusty lilac. My dog is stuck behind my desk. It's gonna be a big loud commotion once her trying to get out. And like it's this really pretty cool tone, like kind of brown, kind of mauvey color. And I just thought it was right up my alley. And I did mix and match and put these together, but I just thought they looked so nice, like all together, you know what I mean? So I had to go for it. And I need to clean my brushes really terribly, you guys, so don't mind my dirty eyeshadow brushes. Next I'm going to go in with the Morphe R39. It's a little bit flatter, more dense, fluffy, dense blending brush, so you can kind of pack the color in a little bit more. So I'm going to kind of use this as a little bit lower crease and on my outer third. So to start, I'm just going to dab right on the top of my brush and go right in that crease. Bring it around. Just kind of darken up the eye. And then I'm going to go on the flat side of the brush, and I'm just going to pack it on right here. I was going to do a really dark smoky look, but I really like him. I'm liking how this is looking. And obviously, I have one more in here. My dog is literally stuck. I'm not helping you. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this M573 brush and I'm going to go in with Warm Taupe right here and just blend out underneath my eye and kind of bring that all together. I just wish this was a little bit more defined. I'm going to use this brush actually. I don't know which brush this is. It's by e.l.f. It's just a really small, kind of defined, a little bit flat brush. So I'm just going to use this to go up under here. Bring this in. Yeah, that's better. I'm using Warm Taupe. A little bit more defined, and then I'll use this, the M573, just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. Just like that, and there we go. Just make it a little bit softer. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush from Morphe ME36 and use that Dusty Rose. Okay, and then I'm using that E36 brush, and I'm going to use that Dusty Rose and just do this outer third right here too. Except for, you know what? I'm going to hold off on that because I'm going to put black eyeliner on, and then I'll blend it out on the bottom. Somebody remind me. Okay, last but definitely not least, we're going to use the metal. It's like, I think that falls under titanium. It is a silver and gold titanium eyeshadow. I swatched this, you guys, and I about, fell on the ground. I went to heaven because it was so gorgeous. Shit. So I can see. I don't even want to swatch this and waste it because it's so gorgeous. Do you see how blinding that is? This has gotten to be a really long video. It's going to be 2 videos. Now let's do a cut crease. I'm going to take some of the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair and the Morphe M421 and we'll crease that out. Just give a good base for that color to sit on. Yeah, this is being very sticky today. I'm just trying to blend out that edge. And then the other eye. Here we go, that one better this time. I think I didn't have enough on my brush, unfortunate, of course. Okay, we'll do like that. Let's not add any more and make this worse. I'm just gonna try and blend this area right here down, and right here down. Oh, oh. Okay, there we go. No more. Don't touch it. No, I'm gonna use the M421 and go in right here and just like that. And just pack it on. If we need to, I'll use my finger. I'm gonna get better at my cut creases, don't worry. Like this one's like all jacked up over here, but it's okay. I'm gonna take the R39 brush again in Dusty Rose and just try and pack this on right here and blend these together. My cut crease just got to be a little bit extra. Try and bring that back a little bit. Actually, I like that. That looks nice. Okay, that blended out like really easily and like did such a good job of like covering it up. You all can see. I'm so sorry, I haven't even been like zoomed in for y'all to see this. And then we'll just bring this down under. Bring it all together. Okay. That's where that's the cheese. Is that the right expression? The cheese? Okay, and then I'm not, oh, I was gonna use this brush, that's right. I'll define it a little bit more right here. Again, once I put black eyeliner on, let me go ahead and put some black eyeliner on. Yeah, I'm struggling today. Okay, I'm gonna use the Sephora Crayon Contour 12-hour contour eye pencil, 12-hour wear. It's waterproof. I'm wearing it in 01 black lace and it's a matte black. Let me tell you, that's black. And just make sure to connect your outer edges so that you don't have any weird white spots on your eyelids. Okay, yes. Okay, now I'm going to take this Morphe E36 in the Dusty Rose and blend this out right here. To start, I'm going to go in with the warm taupe actually. And blend this out. Make it a little bit more cohesive. And then I'll go in with the, wow, that is all up in my eye. I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose right here. In this outer part. Okay, let's go ahead and highlight my brow bone with my new highlighter. Ooh, yeah, let's put this in the inner corner. Okay, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed. What? Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed. That's what it's called. In Vanilla Quartz. It's a highlight. I am on the Struggle Plus. This is the color. Gorgeous. Okay, to start, I'm going to find a really small little brush. Not that one. Don't mind me. Am I red or is that? I think I'm just red. I'm just using this Morphe eye crease brush. It's just a really small little brush. I'm going to dab in here. And I'm going to just dab this in the inner corner and bring it down. And then put this in the brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to take the Real Technique setting brush and I'm going to use that for my highlight. Okay, I mean, it's not. What am I doing? I gotta dust away first. No, I'm struggling today. Just away the powder. Make sure my blush is still there. I'm all over the place today. Okay, let's go back in with highlight. I expected this to be a little bit more like skin perfecting, but it is pretty. I'm not like obsessed with this highlight. I'm not like overwhelmed by it, but I don't think it's ugly or anything. You know, like it's a nice like more. I mean, it's like pretty. It's just not like super blinding. So I'm going to throw on some mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, this is the final look. went ahead and finished up my mascara with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, which is my favorite mascara, as you know. It really just like brings the whole look together. I'm just like it. I'm not wearing any falsies. These are just my eyelashes, which I do have naturally long eyelashes. But I love this mascara. So I went with a little bit darker lip today, just to like kind of balance out the eye, but still very neutral, cool tone. I am wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Crush Liquid Lipstick in, just kidding, the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in Crush. And I topped it with the Hard Candy, what do you call this? I don't know, it's Hard Candy lipstick. Hard Candy Fierce Effects Lipstick at First Blush, 1228. They're like pretty similar color. This is just a little bit lighter, and it just gave it a little bit of a shine. So yeah, I forgot that this really doesn't come off, so let's see what happens. I'm going to add a little bit of this kind of shimmery pink. It has like almost no color, but just provides a little bit of shimmer, and I like that. So I think that really just kind of brought it all together. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in 801 Pink Cloud. So yeah, I think this is going to wrap up my look for the day. I did go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter as usual. Should have used like the Morphe one or something, but I know that this girl here works, so I was like, let's keep this all in place because I would like to look good all night long. What do you think? Did y'all have fun contouring with me? Sorry this video is so long. I'm going to cut it in half. I know I've already said that like 800 times. I'm probably going to end up cutting in half, so we'll just go ahead and see. I'm just going to try and cut out as much of like the nonsense in here just because I did like screw up like quite a few times, so I'll probably just cut it out and just pretend that didn't happen. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I did a great job. So thanks for stopping by, you guys. Please be sure to like this photo, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, tell your sisters, tell your friends, hit that notification bell so you get alerts when I post new videos. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, I thought I would just check in one final time so you can see the final look. I'm not doing anything super crazy. I just have high-waisted skinny jeans on, this cute little navy peplum top. It's a high-low. You can see that. I got it from Amazon, super affordable. And then I don't even know where this necklace is from, but just wanted a little bling bling, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the final look. I am really liking it. My husband liked it. I think this like bright eyeshadow is going to be something that I use more for like the inner corner, or like really like making like the center pop. I don't know if that's going to be something I use for the cut crease, but I do like the color. I just think it might be a little too light for a full lid, but overall still liking the look. So we're just waiting for Amazon package to deliver because apparently packages keep getting stolen from front doorsteps, and we don't want that to happen. So we're just patiently waiting. I think we have like 4 stops, and then it's us. Come on, almost hungry. So yeah, we are headed off to eat here in a few minutes, and yeah, okay, now I'm finishing up. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.